Have you ever wondered how software developers always test their work and projects? Sandbox. Welcome to STK channel. Share the knowledge. My name is Shadreck Maziya.
Hi, my name is Hashiem. Welcome to STK. Share the knowledge.
Hi, welcome to STK channel. Share the knowledge. My name is Glenton Sebolao and I'm here to share the knowledge with you.
In this video, we're gonna show you how to enable Sandbox and how to operate in and out. You have to check your PC whether it's capable of virtualization. First, hit your Windows key, search for Control Panel, and select uninstall a program. And on your left hand side, you're gonna see a feature say 10 Windows features on or off. Click on it. Wait, and scroll down to where you see Windows Sandbox. Tick that and press OK. Now it's gonna search for required files to activate Windows Sandbox. When it's done, it's gonna ask you to restart your computer. In this case, I'll pause the video so that I can restart.
The reason why you should use Sandbox is that Sandbox is a safe space. For instance, if you have malicious files or emails that you got from your clients or your colleagues. So for instance, let me show you what you can do with Sandbox.
Now we're back after the system rebooted. Windows key, search for Sandbox. Now you're gonna see a pop-up app of Sandbox. Click on it. It must take you straight to Sandbox.
The nice thing about this environment is completely independent of Windows itself. Unfortunately, the function to drag and drop doesn't exist within Sandbox. So what you'll need to do is you need to copy and paste the content. You can use a shortcut key Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. As you see inside our test folder right now, we've got VLC. And once VLC is installed inside Sandbox, this over here could be any software application that you need tested in an environment that is safe to do so. As you can see, VLC is now installed inside Sandbox, and you're able to test whatever software application you wanted in that environment. Now, why use Sandbox? When closing Sandbox, you'll be prompted with a window that tells you that anything will be permanently discarded and deleted. At this point, you click OK. And if you open Sandbox again, you'll notice that any previous installations are all gone. And that is a safe environment for testing.
And that's about it, guys. The reason why you should subscribe to our channel is because we're very educational and we know what we're doing. So please hit the like and subscribe button. Smash that notification button and we're out. Hi, welcome to the SK what? STK, share the knowledge. Hi, welcome to SK.
And you need to run on an operating system. Oh crap.
The method of getting used, unfortunately, okay. Lach lekker, ja.
And cut.
And cut. Okay.